How can everyday objects provide first aid on a construction site? Imagine you're working on a busy construction site when suddenly someone cuts their hand badly or gets a burn. What do you do if a first aid kit isn't nearby? Sometimes, everyday objects around you can be lifesavers in emergencies. Knowing how to use these common items can make a big difference before professional help arrives. First, think about clothing or fabric. A shirt, bandana, or even a clean towel can be used to cover a wound. Applying pressure with fabric can slow bleeding and help the injured person feel more comfortable. You can also fold fabric into a sling to support a sprained or broken arm, keeping it still and reducing pain. Plastic wrap or plastic bags are often found on site and can be used to cover burns. Covering a burn with plastic helps keep dirt and bacteria out, reducing the risk of infection. If you don't have sterile dressings, plastic can serve as a temporary barrier until proper supplies are available. Wooden planks or sticks are sturdy and straight, perfect for making splints. If someone has a suspected broken limb, place a stick along the injured area and secure it with strips of cloth, belts, or tape. This immobilizes the limb and prevents further damage. Tape or adhesive strips like duct tape or electrical tape are useful for holding dressings or splints in place. They stick well to clothing and skin, making sure everything stays secure during movement. Water bottles or clean water containers are often on site and can be used to rinse dirt or chemicals from wounds or eyes. Flushing debris out of the eye with water is a simple but effective way to reduce damage and pain. Disposable gloves or work gloves are essential for protecting yourself and the injured person from infections. Always wear gloves when handling open wounds or bodily fluids to stay safe. Tools like scissors or utility knives are handy for cutting clothing, bandages, or tape. They help you quickly access wounds or remove debris, which is important for proper cleaning and dressing. Blankets or jackets can keep an injured person warm, especially if they are in shock. Maintaining body heat helps prevent further health issues and keeps the person stable until more help arrives. In first aid training for construction workers, you learn how to improvise with these everyday objects. This skill is important because a fully stocked first aid kit is essential, but immediate action often depends on what you have nearby. Knowing how to use common items like fabric, plastic, sticks, and water can be life-saving. It allows you to control bleeding, immobilize injuries, and protect wounds quickly. Combining this knowledge with proper first aid certification makes you more confident and ready to respond in emergencies. So next time you're on a construction site, remember that everyday objects around you can be powerful tools in saving lives. Being prepared and knowing how to act can make all the difference in a serious situation.